Lydia, what are you doing? Are you sitting? Are you sitting? You're sitting in a chair. Are you camping? Did you go swimming today? Did you like it? What's Daddy doing? Is he trying to start a fire?
Fire.
Besides the word trying?
What?
Can't really tell, but it's very smoky. But it's not really a great day for it. But we still went swimming and had fun. You're funny.
You're funny.
Someone's all hopped up on sugar right now.
I think we all are.
Yeah, so we're just hanging out. It's about 6:30. And then about an hour, someone here is going to go to BED. Can you say you love Grandma and Grandpa?
Grandma.
Say, love you, Grandma.
Bye, Grandma.
Love you, Grandpa.
Bye, Grandma.
Say bye.